Hello beautiful crafters, welcome to India Yarn Circle YouTube channel, a place where we all inspire and get inspired. Let's learn and grow together. Today in our episode, I would like to show the different cotton yarns that are available to us crafters in India. Let me take you up close with each of these and show you the texture, the ply, the weight, and maybe a tip or two on what we can use these yarns for. So here we have, everyone, the different cotton that are available to us in India, and I would like to show a close-up of all these yarns so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The cotton yarn is available from the finest, thinnest thread to the thickest possible. So here we have what is called the size 20. This is what we normally use for making doilies and other intricate lace for like blouse edging, sari edging, dupatta edging. So this is what is perfectly suitable for that, size 20. It comes in small balls. Then you have pearl cotton, which has got a sheen to it, if you can see close. So I'll show you the close-up of both the pearl cotton as opposed to just the normal mercerized cotton. This is kind of rough when I work with it. This is smooth. This has got a silken texture, and this is like, as soon as you see it, you know that this is cotton. So you have size 8 and you have size 20. Then you have what is called as knitting cotton, which is slightly thicker than the size 20 and size 8. Again, can be used for various projects in and around the house, even for wearables. This is can be used with hook up to maximum 3.5 mm, and this is the texture of the knitting cotton. In knitting cotton itself, you have slightly thicker version, which is this one. If you notice, this is slightly thicker. Yes, you do get variegated in India. So this is slightly thicker. The same in even more thicker version. And if you look at this over here, you can see that you have the loosely plied yarn. This is plies. All these which make up, they are called as plies. So you have this 3 ply here, which is again a knitting cotton. I also wanted to show you the same size 20 thread. Instead of in balls, you also get it in hang. A hang is nothing but like this, a laddi, what we call laddi in Hindi. So this is what it is. It comes like this. So you have to wind it up. So this is also available. And if you look at it, this has that pearl cotton like texture. If you look at it closely, that beaded look, that is called that has the pearl cotton like texture, but it is not silky like the pearl cotton. So this is again a size 20 cotton. Now if you slightly move on to the next variety, you have what is called as the 3 ply cotton. This is softer, and as you can see, thicker than the threads that I showed you before. So this is thicker and softer. Again, all of these available in India, and again feels very soft next to the skin. Perfect for our Indian climate. Now after 3 ply, you have 4 ply. Now in 4 ply, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 varieties of 4 ply. Now this one I've already wound into a cake. It was available as a laddi, so I wound it. It feels thinner than the regular 4 ply, but there are 4 plies twisted together, and this is again a soft, very soft cotton available in India. Has a very good yardage also. The next 4-ply comes like this. Again, you can see that. Can you see the texture? Again, slightly thicker than what I showed you, the white one. So if I show you a comparison, so this is, yeah. So here you can see this white is thinner, sorry, and the pink is slightly thicker than that. But this is also 4-ply. Then I have something called as the 4-ply chenille cotton. So this again has a texture like this, like some slabs in it. I would probably suggest chenille for making hats, bags, maybe scarves. It is not too soft against the skin, but feels good. And then I have a reverse twist 4-ply. So here again it's in a hang. This is the hang. The reverse twist here, simply if you look at this, can you look at the texture of the yarn? Can you see that? It's like twisted in two, are twisted in reverse direction. So you get the kind of a texture to it. And lastly, I have what is called the chainlet yarn. Again in hang. And this can you see that rope-like texture? Yeah. So this is again perfect for home decor, purses, bags, etc. that you can use. So there you have it. These are the different types of cotton that is available to Indians for a myriad of our projects. Now what I didn't show you here are the embroidery thread as well as the cotton blends, but that we'll have it for a separate video. What do you all say? I hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed showing the different cotton. Okay, do you see the subscribe button? Please do click it and click the bell icon to turn on notifications so you don't miss our videos, and share your thoughts in the comment section so that we can improve and bring better videos for you. Join the tribe, follow us on social media, create, connect, share and love. #Making Yarn Connections.